Hey guys, welcome back to Fat Pieces TV. So today we're going to be transforming this white pair of sneakers to this beautiful bubblegum pink sneakers. It literally takes less than 30 minutes to make. They are absolutely gorgeous. You're gonna be obsessed all summer 19. So let's get started. To begin, you need a pair of white sneakers, fabric paint, paintbrush, and a bow. You want to begin by painting the fabric area of the shoe. Just pretty much cover that whole entire area using your fabric paint, and I recommend you use your choice of color. I chose bubblegum pink because honestly I have been searching for this color sneakers in the market and I just couldn't find it, and I thought to myself, why keep searching when I can just make one myself? So here we are.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
So far, so good. I really love how the color turned out. So here's the difference. This is the before, this is the after. I think it looks amazing.
In the great outdoors,
the color is great. I think it does match my nails. But yeah, I really love it. It's like a coral pink. Even though it did say it was a different one, but it's a grapefruit pink, which yeah, I guess I can see that. But yeah, so all I did was use this wet wipes to just wipe off the extra paint that I got on the side of the shoe.
like a bird
And
on a tree.
so I'm actually gonna take this outside to let it dry. I think it's gonna be beautiful.
I got time, it's clear to see.
Alright guys, so guys, this is the finished
From up
product for
here,
the sneakers. It's done drying under the
the world
sun.
seems small.
Make sure that you're staying up to date with the blog
We can
and my
sit
Instagram page, because I will be styling
together.
see how I style them.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors.
And I'll see you